A brand new Chinese-owned auto garage has opened its doors in Kingston, and it's already making serious waves. This isn't your typical corner workshop. We're talking about a state-of-the-art facility equipped with advanced diagnostic systems, high-end restoration services, and a team that specializes in high-performance vehicles. Locals are impressed by the sleek design and speedy service, with some customers calling it the dealership experience, without the dealership markup. But you know how the thing's set, some local mechanics a screw face, some are calling foul, saying once again, we quick to sell out our own. A sellout dem a sell out the culture. But hold on, people nah switch sides without reason. Me drop off me car, the mechanic tech too weak to even look pon it. One person said, every time me call, is soon come, man short, or battery dead. Another person stated, me catch me car at the gas station, with the mechanic baby mother inside and pick me in a the back seat. Dem drive the car to go funeral, wedding, then tell you say it need new brake pad, you mean after you done run it like taxi for 2 weeks? And ladies? How many of you drop off your car and get hit with, me would de with you? Ya husband don't halfy know still. See, the problem isn't just competition, it's trust, respect, and consistency. When you support your own and get burned over and over, loyalty starts to feel like a punishment. Now don't get it twisted, not every local mechanic slack. Plenty hard-working people out there doing good work. But the ones who mash up the game, dem loud. And dem too common. So when a foreign shop come in and give prompt professional service, Jamaicans respond with their wallet, not out of hate, but out of exhaustion.